Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to apply for Amazon credit card. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to apply for a credit card online on Amazon, then first open up a web browser. In the search box appearing on your screen, type in apply for Amazon credit card and press enter on your keyboard. You'll be able to see the search results displayed on the next page. Click on this link that says apply for a credit card in the credit card marketplace, since this is the easiest way in order to apply for a credit card on Amazon. This will take you to the help and customer service if you are not sure how to apply for your credit card. So simply go ahead and go through the information first. Click on the search the credit card marketplace link over here, and this will directly take you to your credit card marketplace, but make sure to be logged into your Amazon.com account in order to reach to this page. Now you can go ahead and find any card you'd like to apply for and give it a click. Click on this apply now button on the next page. Fill in your Amazon credit card information in the text boxes that appears on your screen and make sure to enter all of the information correct. Once you are done entering all of the information, click the continue button at the bottom. Enter your date of birth on the next page, your social security number or your ITIN, and you must also enter your annual net income in the last text box. After doing so, click continue, follow the on-screen prompts and submit your application in order to apply for Amazon credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.